In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter 1099-Q into TurboTax. If you received a 1099-Q for education savings or a 529 plan distribution, TurboTax places that information under the education section of deductions and credits. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can get to the right area quickly and start entering the form without confusion. Begin by logging into TurboTax and making sure you're on your main tax return screen. From there, move your cursor to the top menu and hover over Deductions and Credits. This section is where TurboTax groups tax breaks, expense-related entries, and education-related items, so it's the correct place to begin when you need to work with a 1099-Q. Once that menu is open, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This takes you into the main overview page for all deduction and credit categories. If you've already entered other items before, you may see a summary of what has been completed. That's normal. The important thing here is that you're now inside the section where education entries can be accessed. Next, look for the Education category and click on Education. This section covers a range of school-related tax topics including tuition, credits, and distributions from education savings accounts. Since Form 1099-Q is tied to qualified education expenses and plan distributions, this is the area where TurboTax routes you for the correct interview. After opening education, find the option labeled Essay and 529 Distributions. This is the specific subsection connected to 1099-Q forms. ESA refers to education savings accounts, and 529 distributions are also reported here. So if your form came from either of those sources, you're in the right place. Once you see that section, click Start. This launches the guided entry process in TurboTax. From there, TurboTax will begin us asking you for the information from your 1099-Q and any related education details. A good tip before you continue is to have your form nearby so you can enter everything carefully and exactly as shown. It also helps to have any supporting school expense records ready, since TurboTax may ask follow-up questions to determine whether the distribution was used for qualified expenses. That's it for getting to the 1099-Q entry area in TurboTax. If you follow this path through Deductions and Credits, the Summary page, Education, and then ESA and 529 distributions, you'll be in the right place to begin entering your form accurately.